See, in the previous class, we discussed Nernst equation, how to calculate EMF of the cell, EMF of means electrode potentials of electrodes if they are not standard by using Nernst equation, right? So today, see, for example, E naught Zn2 plus aqueous to Zn solid is minus 0.76 volts. Then A, find E of Zn2 plus concentration of 0.1 molar to Zn solid. B, find E Zn2 plus of concentration 0.01 molar to Zn solid. Now recall the procedure to find the electrode potential of electrodes by using Nernst equation. E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log concentration of products, active masses of products, product of active masses of products by product of active masses of reactants. Or you can write shortly. By R, where P is product of active masses of products. Are product of molar concentrations of products. In equilibrium, we discussed active mass is equal to molar concentration of the chemical substance. Similarly, R is product of active masses of reactants. N is number of electrons involved in the equation. P stands for product of active masses of products. R stands for product of active masses of reactants. N is number of electrons involved in the equation. Now I am removing this. Right. Now, we are going to solve small a problem. E is equal to E naught minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log Zn2 plus 2 Zn. So, write the equation here. Zn2 plus 2 Zn. Add electrons. So E is equal to minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log Zn active mass is 1. Zn2 plus active mass is 0.1. So it is 10 power minus 1, 10 power 1, log 10 value 1. So 0.0591, I am taking approximately 0.03. So minus 0.03 minus 0.76. So it is minus 0.79 volts approximately. B. E is equal to minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 by 2 log 1 by 0.01. So 0.01 is 1 by 100, 10 power minus 2, thereby 10 power 2, 2 log 10, 2 gets cancelled. So therefore, take it as 0.06, then it is minus 0.82 volts. Okay, so this is how to calculate electrode potentials according to Nernst equation. Now, for example, if cell is constructed by using these two electrodes, clear? See, if any two half cells, if any two electrodes are connected together, it becomes electrochemical cell. Is it not? Suppose if these two electrodes are used for constructing an electrochemical cell, see like this, zinc solid Zn2 plus aqueous. Now I am taking this as anode. So 0.1 molar, then Zn2 plus aqueous 0.01 molar Zn solid, because these two electrodes differ in their electrode potential values. Whenever these two electrodes are differ in their electrode potential values, if these electrodes are used for constructing electrochemical cell, then the cell produces electrical energy. So here this is minus 0.79 volts, this is minus 0.82 volts. Now, see, what is the reaction at anode? What is the reaction at anode? Zn solid gives rise to Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons. Write down the concentration here, 0.1 molar. Otherwise, you will confuse. At cathode, reaction is Zn2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons gives rise to Zn solid. So what is the concentration of Zn2 plus ions here? 0.01 molar. Then net cell equation. Net cell equation is Zn2 plus concentration 0.01 molar gives rise to Zn2 plus aqueous 0.1 molar. See, two electrons get cancelled. Active mass of zinc solid is 1. So you can cancel those species. Now, this is the net cell equation. Zn2 plus ion concentration at cathode, is it not? At cathode gives rise to Zn2 plus ion concentration at anode. Okay. Now apply Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log product of concentration of products by product of concentration of reactants. See, E naught cell. What is cathode in this cell? Zinc electrode. What is anode in this cell? Again zinc electrode. So, at cathode and anode electrodes are same. So, therefore, what would be the E naught of the cell? Minus 0.76 minus of minus 0.76. It is equal to 0. Remember, if electrodes are same, standard EMF of the cell is 0. See, E cell is equal to 0 minus 0.0591 by N log Zn2 plus ion concentration at anode. Zn2 plus concentration at anode by Zn2 plus concentration at cathode. So, E cell is equal to minus 0.0591 by N log Zn2 plus concentration at anode 10 power minus 1. Zn2 plus concentration at cathode 10 power minus 2. 10 power 2. 10 log 10 value 1. So, E cell is equal to minus 0.0591 by 2. So, approximately minus 0.03 volts. E cell is negative. If E cell is negative, then cell does not produce electrical energy. Cell does not produce electrical energy. If E cell is negative, then del G is negative, positive, because del G is equal to minus NFE cell. So therefore, del G is positive. If del G is positive, reaction is non-spontaneous. So that means this reaction does not happen. This reaction does not happen. So reaction is non-spontaneous. So therefore, E cell is negative. Therefore, cell does not produce electrical energy. Now, suppose to get electrical energy, what we have to do here? We have to change the anode and cathode. Now, I am taking this A as cathode and this B is anode. So, 0.01 molar. Now, this is 0.1 molar. Now, what would be the reaction at anode now? What is the reaction at anode? Zn solid, Zn2 plus aqueous, 0.01 molar plus 2 electrons. Zn2 plus aqueous, 0.1 molar plus 2 electrons, Zn solid. net cell equation. Net cell equation. Zn solid you can cancel. 2 electrons you can cancel. Zn2 plus aqueous 0.1 molar gives rise to Zn2 plus aqueous 0.01 molar. So this is at anode and this is at cathode. So the Zn2 plus ion at concentration at cathode, Zn2 plus concentration at anode. Now see, E cell is equal to minus 0.0591 by n log Zn2 plus ion concentration at anode 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 1. So 10 power minus 1, then minus log 10, minus 1, minus into minus, it became plus. E cell is equal to 0.03 volts. Now E cell is positive. E cell is positive. So therefore, cell works and produces electrical energy. Del G is minus NF E cell. E cell is positive. Therefore, delta G is negative. Reaction spontaneous. So this reaction will happen. So we have to change the electrodes. Remember that whenever EMF of the cell is negative, then cell does not work. Whenever EMF of the cell is positive, cell works, produces electrical energy. Whenever EMF of the cell is zero, means that reaction in the electrochemical cell reaches to equilibrium state. Now, at anode concentration will be less, at cathode concentration will be more. Then the cell produces electrical energy. Say this is C1, this is C2. So C1 must be less than C2. Then cell works. Now here it is not the important. Important one is here two electrodes are same. At anode we use zinc electrode. At cathode we use zinc electrode only. Both are zinc electrodes only. But concentration in the electrolyte, concentration of electrolyte in the anode compartment, concentration of electrolyte in the cathode compartment are different. That is why such electrochemical cells are called concentration cells. Okay, so such type of electrochemical cells are called concentration cells. The general way of representation of concentration cells is M solid and in contact with its own ion at C1 concentration, salt bridge Mn plus C2 concentration, electrolyte is in different concentration. Then M solid. This is the general way of representation of concentration cells, and moreover here active mass of solid is active mass of electrolyte. Active mass of electrolytes are different. If active masses of electrolytes are different, if active masses of electrolytes are different, if active masses of electrolytes are different, then such cells are examples of electrolytic concentration cells. Electrolytic concentration cells. In these, electrolytes are present at different concentrations. Electrolytes are present at different concentrations. So if electrolytes are present at different concentrations, then those cells are called electrolytic concentration cells. Electrolytic concentration cells. For these cells, C1 must be less than C2. Right? We saw this. C1 must be less than C2. Then only E cell is positive. Then only del G will be negative. Then only reaction is spontaneous. Reaction is spontaneous. Reaction is spontaneous. And cell produces electrical energy. For example, I gave one example. Again, I am writing the same. Young solid, Zn2 plus concentration, C1 concentration, Zn2 plus concentration, Zn solid. Like this. Ag solid, Ag plus aqueous, C1 concentration, Ag plus aqueous, C2 concentration, Ag solid. Now, let us see one more example. Now, consider two electrodes. E, H plus ion concentration of 0.1 molar. Contact with hydrogen molecules. 1 atmosphere pressure. Platinum is the mediator. Is equal to how much? E, hydrogen ion concentration 0.01 molar. Hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere pressure, platinum solid. How much? Now, what is the reaction at electrode H plus ion concentration plus electron gives rise to half H2. This is 1 atmosphere and it is 0.1 molar. Then apply Nernst equation. E is equal to hydrogen electrode potential, standard hydrogen electrode potential 0.0591 by 1 log H2 gas to the power of H2 gas to the power of 1 atmosphere, therefore it is 1, 10 power minus 1, 10, log 10 value 1, therefore it is minus 0.059 volts. Now, second one, E is equal to 0 minus 0.0591 by 1 log 1 by 10 power minus 2. Now, it is 10 power minus 2, 10 power 2, 2 log 10, 2 into minus 0.0591. So, it is minus 2 0.1182 volts. Now, this is 0.0591 volts and this is minus 0.1182 volts. If cell is constructed like this, PT solid, hydrogen gas, 1 atmosphere, concentration of the electrolyte is 0.01 molar. Aqueous, salt bridge, H plus ion concentration 0.1 molar. Hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere, platinum solid. So hydrogen gas is the electrode. So therefore hydrogen gas, pressure exerted by hydrogen gas is 1 atmosphere. For this platinum is required, medium is required, it is non-conductor of electricity. Now hydrogen molecules are in contact with H plus ions of the solution, 0.01 molar, it is an electrode. H plus ion concentration, H plus ions are in contact with the hydrogen molecule. And for medium, platinum is required. This is 1 electrode. So, here I took this electrode as cathode, and I took this as anode. Okay. Now, E cell, okay, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Why I represented E cathode, E anode? Because they are not, sorry, they are not standard. So that is why E cell, EMF of the cell, E cathode, E anode. Now E cell is equal to E cathode 0.1 minus 0.0591 minus of E anode, this is anode, so 0.1182 volts. So E cell is equal to plus 0.059 volts. So E cell is a positive. E cell is a positive, therefore cell works and produces electrical energy. Delta G is negative, therefore reaction is spontaneous. So if reaction is spontaneous, cell works. So here, what is C1? 0.01 molar. What is C2? 0.1 molar. C1 is less than C2. C1 is less than C2. Cell works. So whenever it is a gaseous electrode, hydrogen electrode or any metal electrode, remember that if it is a concentration cell, E cell will be positive when C1 is less than C2. C1 means concentration of electrolyte at anode. C2 is concentration of electrolyte at cathode. Clear this? This is also example for electrolyte concentration cell, because electrode is the same. Hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere pressure, hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere pressure, electrode concentration is same. But here concentration of the electrolyte is C1, concentration of the electrolyte is C2. They differ in the concentration of electrolytes. So therefore, this cell is example for generally concentration cell. In particular, it is called electrolytic concentration cell. Electrolytic concentration cell. Okay. Now see, for example, find E of H plus ion concentration of 1 molar, contact with hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure, platinum solid. So actually this is standard electrode only. Therefore it is 0.0 volts or 0 volts. Okay. Now find E of H plus ion concentration 1 molar, hydrogen gas 10 atmospheres, platinum solid. This is how much. Now apply Nernst equation. What is the reaction at electrode? H plus ion concentration. Now you take 2H plus, because hydrogen gas at atmosphere pressure is not 1. 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2 gas. This is 1 molar only. This is now 10 atmospheres. According to Nernst equation, E is E naught minus 0.0591 by 2, or you can write 2 log. Now here active mass is not 1. Therefore, pressure of hydrogen gas by concentration of H plus ion square. E is equal to 0 minus 0.0591. You can write it as 0.03 log Pressure of hydrogen gas is 10. This is 1. Log 10 value 1. So therefore E is minus 0.03 volts. So this is how to calculate electrode potential of hydrogen electrode. Here hydrogen ion concentration is 1 molar only, but hydrogen gas is not at a standard state, not at 1 atmosphere. Therefore, it is in 10 atmosphere pressure. So that is why we applied Nernst equation to calculate the electrode potential value like this. Clear? Here, this is standard hydrogen electrode, that is 0 volts. So according to Nernst equation, we calculated the electrode potential of this one. So how much we got? It is 0.03 volts. Right? Now I am going to calculate one more problem. Given this electrode potential as this one. Right? Now, find the EMF of the cell. Find the EMF of the following cell. Right? Now, I am giving cell representation. Cell is represented like this. PT solid, hydrogen gas, one atmosphere, H plus ion concentration, 1 molar. Suppose if hydrogen ion concentration in both the half cells is same, there is no need to represent one more time. Simply you can write like this. H plus ion concentration here, again in the cathode compartment, anode compartment, cathode compartment, both are same. Clear? Once again, if concentration of electrolyte in both the compartments is same, then you can represent the cell like this also. Clear? No need to write one more time H plus salt bridge, H plus ion concentration, not like that. Simply you can represent the cell like this also. Platinum solid hydrogen gas is in contact with H plus ions of the solution. So here we represented only one vertical line, which means that concentration of electrolyte in both the half cells is same. So in this cathode compartment also H plus ions are 1 molar concentration. Hydrogen gas is at 10 atmosphere pressure. Now, for this, see, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. See, E cell, E cathode, which is cathode? This is cathode. So minus 0.03. This is anode, right? So it is standard electrode, right? So minus 0. So therefore it is minus 0.03 volts. So which means that cell does not produce electrical energy. Now, if you reverse these two electrodes, then see, PT solid, hydrogen gas, 10 atmosphere pressure. Okay. Then H plus ion concentration 1 molar in both the half cells. Then H plus hydrogen gas 1 atmosphere pressure, platinum solid. Now for this cell, see, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. So E cell is equal to cathode 0 minus anode minus 0.03. So it is 0.03 volts plus. So now cell works and produces electrical energy. So for any electrochemical cell, if you get electrochemical EMF of the cell as a negative, then reverse it, then we will get E cell as positive, thereby reaction is spontaneous, thereby cell works, therefore cell produces electrical energy. This cell does not produce, right? This cell produces electrical energy. So in this particular example, concentration of electrolyte is the same, right? Concentration of electrolyte is same. Concentration of electrolyte is the same. Electrode concentration is different. Active mass of electrode is different. Electrolyte concentration is same. Electrode concentration is different. Therefore, such cells are called electrode concentration cells. Electrode concentration cells. For electrode concentration cells, generally they have gaseous electrodes. Generally, gaseous electrodes come under this because metal electrodes, irrespective of their quantity, because metals are solid, therefore active mass is 1. So only gaseous electrodes come as examples for electrode concentration cells. Is it clear? Now, general way of representation of the cell. PT solid, H2 gas, P1 pressure. Okay, H plus ion concentration 1 molar. H plus ion concentration 1 molar. And hydrogen gas pressure P2, then platinum solid. So this is the general example for electrode concentration cells. In this is P1, this is P2, right? So EMF of the cell, E cell is positive only when P1 is greater than P2. Right? So in concentration cells, we discuss electrolyte concentration cell and electrode concentration cell. In electrolyte concentration cells, electrolytes in both the compartments are at different concentrations. In electrode concentration cells, electrolyte concentration in both the compartments is same and electrodes are present at different active masses. So generally electrodes are present at different pressures because all gaseous electrodes only come under electrode concentration cells. See, if cell is not a standard cell, you can apply Nernst equation directly, or otherwise you can also solve the problem by first calculating cathode electrode potential, anode electrode potential by using Nernst equation. After that, you can use E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Or you can also apply directly Nernst equation also. You can solve the problem by any one of these methods. I show you both the methods, right? Now, a typical example I am giving now. E naught of Pt H plus ion concentration of 1 molar hydrogen gas, 1 atmosphere, Pt solid. This we know it is 0 volts because standard hydrogen electrode. Now I am taking E. H plus ion concentration is 0.01 molar. Hydrogen gas pressure is 10 atmosphere. Medium platinum solid. Now, what is the electrode potential of this electrode? Electrolyte is not at standard state. Electrode is also not standard state. Then how to find the electrode potential? Simply applying Nernst equation only. See, 2H plus aqueous plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2 gas. This is the equation at electrode. Reduction of reaction. Why did we write reduction of reaction? Because reduction potentials are electrode potentials according to IUPAC, right? This is 10 power minus 2 molar and hydrogen gas is at 10 atmosphere pressure. Now, E is equal to E naught minus 0.0591 by N log pressure of hydrogen gas by hydrogen ion concentration square according to law of mass action. 2 H plus ions are there, therefore H plus ion concentration square. So E is equal to 0 minus 0.0591 by 2 electrons log 10 by 10 power minus 2 square. 10 power minus 2 square, 10 power minus 4, 10 power 4, 10 power 5. So the 5 log 10, 5. So E is minus 0.0591 by 2 into 5. So take this as 0.06, 0.06 into 5, it is 0.3, 0.3 by 2, it is 1.5 minus 1.5 volts. This is the answer. Now, another question. Given E naught value, E value, okay. Find the EMF of the following cell. Find the EMF of the following cell. See, Pt solid, hydrogen gas, 10 atmosphere, H plus ion concentration, 0.01 molar, salt bridge. This is cathode, H plus ion concentration, 1 molar, hydrogen gas, 1 atmosphere pressure, Pt solid. Now, this is constructed cell. Already we calculated this electrode potential value in the previous problem. Now, there is no need to apply Nernst equation, right? So, this is anode half cell. This is cathode half cell. So, therefore, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. It is cathode 0 minus anode minus 1.5. So, it is plus 1.5 volts. Right? Now, what type of concentration cell it is? What type of concentration cell it is? See, H plus ion concentration in anode compartment is 10 power minus 2 molar. Hydrogen ion concentration in the cathode compartment is 1 molar. Electrolyte concentration is different. Electrode, active mass of electrode is 10 atmosphere here. Active mass of electrode is 1 atmosphere. So, electrodes are different in different active mass. Electrolyte is also in different active mass, having different active mass. Therefore, such cells are examples of electrode, electrolyte concentration cell. Concentration cell. So, general example, PT, hydrogen gas, PT solid, hydrogen gas, P1 atmosphere, contact with aqueous H plus ions of C1 concentration, H plus ion concentration of C2 molar, contacted with hydrogen gas, P2 pressure, platinum solid. So this is the general way of representation of electrode electrolyte concentration cell. Electrodes are different. Electrode active mass is different. Active masses of electrolytes in both the compartments is different. Then it is called electrode electrolyte concentration cell. See, if electrodes are same, then active masses are different. Then cells are called, electrochemical cells are called concentration cells. Then those concentration cells, electrolytes are at a different concentration, then they are called electrolytic concentration cells. If electrodes are at different concentration, means active mass, then they are called electrode concentration cells. For example, electrode active mass is different in both the compartments. Electrolyte concentration is also different in both the compartments. Then those cells are called electrode electrolytic concentration cells. Only one point common to these is, for any concentration cell, E naught cell is 0. Clear? We'll continue the next class.